The natural power combo to support male virility. No pills needed. Hello everyone, welcome to the Healthy Food Code channel, where we share secrets to living healthy, confident, and full of energy. Today, I'm diving into a topic that many guys care about: how to naturally, safely, and effectively improve male sexual performance and enhance erection strength. Today, I'll reveal a method I've successfully used, based on real-life experience and backed by scientific research. It involves fresh Piper Lolot leaves, red onions soaked in vinegar, and a touch of boiled eggs. With these familiar ingredients, I've boosted my sexual health. I was able to last over an hour longer during intimacy with my wife than before, and the best part? I still felt strong and full of energy. My little guy performed stronger than ever. If you're curious about how this works, the step-by-step recipe, and the research behind it, stick with me until the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Oh, and if you find this helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the Healthy Food Code, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tips. Let's kick things off. 2. Why men's health matters. Alright, before we get to the nitty-gritty of this method, let's talk about why men's health, especially performance, is such a big deal. It's not just about what happens behind closed doors. A strong performance game boosts your confidence, strengthens your relationship, and even improves your overall health. Here's the deal: testosterone is the MVP hormone for guys. It powers your muscles, keeps your energy high, and drives your performance in the bedroom. But according to a study in the American Journal of Medicine, once you hit 30, your testosterone levels start dropping by about 1 to 2% every year. That can lead to stuff like low energy, weaker performance, or even feeling less interested in intimacy. And let's be real, nobody wants that. Other factors like stress, bad sleep, or a junk food diet can make things worse, leading to issues like low stamina or trouble staying in a game. But here's the good news: you don't need fancy supplements or risky meds to turn things around. With the right natural ingredients, you can support your body and get back to feeling like your best self. The method I'm sharing today on the Healthy Food Code is based on my own experience and backed by legit research. It's helped me and tons of other guys feel stronger and more confident. So, keep watching to learn how to make it work for you. And hey, if you're loving this so far, drop a quick comment below saying "let's do this," to let me know you're with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. 3. Nutritional breakdown and scientific evidence. Now, let's get into the good stuff, the ingredients that make this method work. On the Healthy Food Code, we're all about keeping it simple and natural, so today's recipe uses just 3 powerhouse ingredients: Piper Lolot leaves, pickled red onions, and boiled eggs. Let's break down why each one is a total win for men's health and what the science says. 3.1 Piper Lolot. Piper Lolot. Oh, what's in it? These leafy greens are loaded with flavonoids, alkaloids, and antioxidants. In traditional Asian medicine, Piper Lolot is prized for its warming effect, which boosts blood flow and vitality. Oh, the science! A 2019 study published in the Vietnam Journal of Pharmacology found that the flavonoids in Piper Lolot improve blood circulation, especially to peripheral areas like the penis. Better blood flow means stronger, longer-lasting performance and healthier blood vessels. Oh, real-world benefits: eating Piper Lolot warms up your body, melts away stress, and gets your blood pumping, perfect for boosting stamina and confidence. 3.2 Red onion. What's in it? Red onions are packed with quercetin, a superstar antioxidant, plus vitamin C and sulfur compounds. Pickling them in vinegar makes the quercetin easier to absorb and tones down the sharp red onion's bite. Scientific evidence: A 2017 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that quercetin improves vascular health and boosts nitric oxide, NO, production, a compound essential for relaxing blood vessels and maintaining erections. Red onions also support testosterone production due to sulfur compounds and anthocyanins, which protect blood vessels. Practical benefits: vinegar-soaked red onions enhance blood circulation, improve cardiovascular health, and boost sexual performance. 3 boiled eggs. Oh, what's in it? Eggs are a nutritional goldmine: high-quality protein, zinc, vitamin D, and healthy cholesterol, which your body needs to produce testosterone. Oh, the science! A 2020 study in the Journal of Endocrinology found that zinc and vitamin D in eggs boost testosterone levels and improve testicular function. Zinc also enhances sperm quality and supports stronger performance. Oh, real-world benefits: eggs give you sustained energy, help build muscle, and naturally supercharge your men's health. When you combine these 3 ingredients, you're creating a nutrient-packed formula that fights inflammation, boosts blood flow, and supports your hormones. I've been using this method for weeks, and the results are legit: stronger performance, stamina that lasts 1 to 2 hours, and energy that keeps me going all day. It's like giving your body a natural tune-up. Want to try it? Keep watching for the step-by-step guide. And if you're excited about this, hit that like button and subscribe to the Healthy Food Code so we can keep sharing more tips like this. For step-by-step preparation guide. Alright, let's get to the fun part: how to make this performance-boosting recipe. This method is super easy, uses ingredients you can find anywhere, and takes just a few minutes to prep. Here's what you'll need. Piper Lolot leaves, 10 to 15 fresh leaves, medium-sized, not too young or old. If you've got a garden, homegrown is the way to go. You can also find them at Asian markets or specialty stores. Red onions, 4 to 5 firm, bright ones. Feel free to adjust by 15% more or less depending on how much onion flavor you like. Vinegar, about 100 milliliters of rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, both work great. Diluted salt water, for cleaning the leaves to keep things hygienic. Eggs, 1 to 2 eggs, hard-boiled for a protein punch. Step 1. Prep the Piper Lolot leaves. For the best flavor and potency, pick your Piper Lolot leaves 30 to 60 minutes before using them. Freshness is key. Rinse each leaf carefully under running water to remove any dirt or bugs. Soak the leaves in diluted salt water, 1 tablespoon of salt mixed with 1 liter of water, for 15 minutes to disinfect. Drain the leaves and let them air dry on a clean towel. Step 2. Make the purple shallots. Peel your red onions and give them a quick rinse. Slice them thinly, about 2 to 3 millimeters thick for the perfect texture. Toss the slices into a small bowl and pour in enough vinegar to cover them completely. Let them soak for 15 to 30 minutes. If you want a mild, tangy flavor, 15 minutes is enough. For a bolder kick, go for 30. Pro tip: stir them once or twice to make sure they pickle evenly. Step 3. Boil the eggs. Place 1 to 2 eggs in a pot of water and boil for 8 to 10 minutes to get them perfectly hard-boiled. Cool them in cold water, peel off the shells, and set them aside. Step 4. Put it all together. Grab a Piper Lolot leaf and place a few slices of red onions in the center. Roll it up like a mini burrito or spring roll, nice and tight so it's easy to eat. Aim to eat 5 to 10 of these rolls during lunch or dinner. They are light, flavorful, and packed with benefits. Pair the rolls with 1 to 2 boiled eggs to round out the meal with protein and zinc. I do this 3 to 4 times a week, and let me tell you, the results are unreal. After about 2 to 3 weeks, My stamina went from 1 to 2 hours, my performance got stronger, and I just felt more energized overall. It's like my body's running at peak performance. Give this a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I'd love to hear your results. And if you're loving these tips, don't forget to subscribe to the Healthy Food Code and hit that like button to keep the good content coming. 5. My real life experience and results. Let me get real with you for a second. A while back, I was struggling. Work stress, late nights, and a diet that was mostly takeout pizza left me feeling drained. My performance wasn't where I wanted it to be, and it was starting to mess with my confidence. Sound familiar? After doing some research and experimenting, I stumbled across this Lolot, pickled red onion, and egg method. I figured, why not? It's natural, cheap, and easy. And holy cow, the results were mind-blowing. I noticed a difference the very first day. My energy was up, and my performance was noticeably stronger, especially when I timed it 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. After a few weeks of doing this 3 to 4 times a week, my stamina was lasting 1 to 2 hours, and I felt like I was in my 20s again. Plus, I had more energy for the gym, work, and just life in general. This method is so simple, yet it's been a total game changer. I'm sharing this because I know a lot of guys are dealing with the same stuff, and I want you to feel that same boost. Try it for yourself. It's just a few ingredients and a little time. If I can do it, so can you. Drop a comment below to let the Healthy Food Code team know how it works for you, or even just share your own health journey. And if you have any serious health concerns, check with your doctor first to play it safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep supporting the channel. 6. Call to action. To make this method work like a charm, here are my top tips for success. 1. Live a healthy lifestyle. Get moving with 30 minutes of exercise a day. Think weightlifting, jogging, or even a brisk walk. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and cut back on beer or cocktails to keep your hormones in check. 2. Eat smart. Add more zinc-rich foods to your diet, like oysters, eggs, pumpkin seeds, red onions, or spinach. These pair perfectly with this method to boost your results. 3. Stay patient and consistent. You might feel a difference right away, but the big changes come after February 3rd weeks of sticking with it. Trust the process. Guys, this is your moment. Head to your garden or local market, grab some Lolot, red onions, and eggs, and start this today. I'm telling you, you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. After you try it, swing back here and leave a comment to share your experience with the Healthy Food Code community. Did it work for you? Any tweaks you made? We want to hear it all. Huge thanks for watching this video. Your support is what keeps the Healthy Food Code pumping out awesome health tips. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Let's keep leveling up our health, confidence, and happiness together. Catch you in the next one.